I wanted to do an honest review today of the Mom Frida Breastfeeding Survival Pack. I love this product. It has been a lifesaver for me. First of all, it comes in this cute little travel case, which is really, really great for bringing to the hospital when you first have your baby. That's what I did, and it was so nice because I had a C-section, and so I was laying in bed, and I could just be like, can you grab me this? And they would be able to just grab me this whole pack instead of having to sort through everything and try and figure out what I needed. So I loved that. Secondly, there's so much included in this. I've been breastfeeding for 11 months now, and I still use all of this. So let me show you some of the things inside. First of all, we have a saline spray and nipple balm. Obviously, definitely things you need in your breastfeeding journey. My favorite in this is these. So these are hot and cold packs. You can put them in the microwave to heat them up, or you can freeze them depending on which preference you have or what you need them for. Very, very nice. They also have a pack of pads that go in your bra. Super nice, very convenient. And then lastly, it also comes with a cooling hydration pad. These are really nice. They definitely feel really good. Definitely give you some relief as you're breastfeeding too. So overall, I definitely recommend this product. It makes a really, really great baby shower gift, and I recommend it to anyone I know that's breastfeeding.